Are you in the market for a new biking experience that combines convenience, portability, and performance? If so, a folding bike might just be the perfect solution for you. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring city streets, or embarking on weekend adventures, the versatility of folding bikes can enhance your cycling experience. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best folding bikes available today, highlighting their key features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the crowd. Join us as we explore how these compact giants can revolutionize your rides and make biking more accessible than ever. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Mantis Tri-Rad Folding Tricycle. When it comes to comfort during your rides, you'll appreciate the Mantis Tricycle. The cruiser handlebars are designed with your ease in mind, allowing for a relaxed grip that can enhance your overall riding experience. You'll also love the powerful V-brakes. Designed to provide seamless stopping power, they make it easy and safe to come to a halt whenever you need. One of the standout features of the Mantis is its remarkable value for money. It's not just a tricycle, it's a compact solution for your transportation needs. When you're done riding for the day, you can conveniently fold it to half its size, making storage a breeze. Whether you live in a small apartment or just want to save space in your garage, this capability is a practical advantage that can't be overlooked. To better understand what to look for in a folding tricycle, you can check out my detailed Mantis Tri-Rad review. It's important to know what features align with your lifestyle, and my guide on the best foldable tricycles will break down vital considerations. This way, you can make an informed decision tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're considering the Mantis for daily errands or leisurely rides, you'll find that it checks many boxes for comfort, convenience, and quality. Your next adventure awaits. At number 4, Brompton A Line 3-Speed Folding Bike. The Brompton A Line is designed with your urban commuting needs in mind. Weighing in at a lightweight level, this bike features Brompton's patented tri-folding mechanism and smaller wheel size, allowing you to fold it away in under 20 seconds. This quick and efficient folding means you can easily take it with you on the bus, tube, or even tuck it into the back of an Uber, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected weather changes. Not only is the Brompton A Line practical, but it also exudes style. Its classic design is eye-catching and allows you to make a statement as you navigate through the city. You'll appreciate the A-Line saddle, which, in addition to its aesthetics, provides a surprisingly comfortable ride. One important factor in your bike experience is selecting the right handlebars, as they can significantly influence your riding posture and comfort. To assist you in making an informed decision, I've put together a handy guide covering the Brompton S, M, and H-type handlebars. While I've enjoyed my time testing the Brompton A Line, it's essential to consider a few potential drawbacks based on your personal fitness level, riding conditions, and budget. Understanding these aspects will help you determine if the A Line is the right fit for you, ensuring you make the most of your urban cycling experience. Explore your options and enjoy the freedom of effortless commuting with Brompton. Number 3, we have the Heybike Mars 2 electric bike. Get ready to elevate your biking experience with the Heybike Mars 2 electric bike, a standout in the world of electric mobility. Imagine thrilling accelerations up to 28 miles per hour, powered by a robust 1400 watts brushless motor and a long-lasting 600 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, you'll feel the power at your fingertips. The smart LCD display is designed to enhance your rides. With seamless connectivity to the Heybike app, you can easily adjust riding modes or check your battery status right from your smartphone. This level of convenience puts you in control, making your cycling experience even more enjoyable. Need to carry gear or groceries? The bike features a sturdy rear rack with an innovative magnetic design to customize your setup effortlessly, merging functionality and style. Planning an adventure, the Heybike Mars 2's foldable design allows for easy transport, compacting down to 37 by 22 by 30 inches. It fits snugly in your car or van so you can take it anywhere. Plus, with full suspension, you'll glide smoothly over uneven terrain, absorbing shocks for a comfortable ride. While an improved user manual would help new riders get acquainted with all the features, the Heybike Mars 2 electric bike promises a thrilling and hassle-free cycling journey worth exploring. At number 2, ZiZZO Liberte, 23 pounds folding bicycle. If you often find yourself tackling the last-mile problem while commuting, the ZiZZO Liberte could be the ideal solution you need. Weighing just 23 pounds, it's the lightest bike we recommend, crafted with your convenience and practicality in mind. Picture yourself effortlessly gliding to work on this nimble bike. Its lightweight design not only makes pedaling a breeze, but also simplifies storage in compact spaces. Whether you're living in a small apartment or navigating through crowded streets, the Liberte is tailored for your urban lifestyle. You'll appreciate its portability, allowing you to carry it upstairs or tuck it away without a hassle. But the ZiZZO Liberte is more than just a transportation option. It's your ticket to transforming your daily commute. After a long day, you can hop on your bike, feeling invigorated rather than exhausted. This reliable companion promises to enhance your journey, freeing you from the stress of crowded transit. By choosing the ZiZZO Liberte, you're not just purchasing a bike, you're embracing a more efficient way to travel. It's about reclaiming your time and improving your daily routine. Join countless others who have found their perfect commuting partner in the ZiZZO Liberte and elevate your travel experience to a new level of enjoyment. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Dahon Mariner D8 folding bike. If you're considering a new way to commute, the Dahon folding bike might just be the solution you've been searching for. This versatile ride features a durable aluminum frame, ensuring both lightweight portability and robust performance. You'll appreciate the high-quality brand name parts that enhance its reliability, making it a dependable companion for your daily travels. The standout feature of this bike is its quick folding design. In a matter of seconds, you can fold it up and stow it away, whether in your office, apartment, or even on public transportation. No more worrying about security or space, just effortless convenience. Designed with your commuting needs in mind, the Dahon bike comes equipped with essential features like fenders to keep you dry during unexpected rain and a rear rack for securing your belongings. Imagine effortlessly navigating through busy streets, feeling the wind in your hair as you glide past traffic. The Dahon folder encourages you to embrace a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle, all while providing the flexibility to adapt to your day's demands. If you're ready to enhance your commuting experience, the Dahon folding bike offers a practical and stylish solution. It's more than just a bike. It's a gateway to making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Consider making this investment in convenience, sustainability, and your well-being today. You deserve a commute that empowers you, and with Dahon, that journey starts now. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which folding bike you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.